Hello dear kids, Namaskar. How are you all? And how's everything going? I hope you all are fine and everything is going well and good. Yes or no? So let's start our video class with small prayer, Gayatri Mantra. So everyone join your hands and close your eyes.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
So, feeling good? Alright. So, last week we have completed our chapter number 13. Yes? I hope you all have understood that chapter. So, today we are going to start a new chapter. Right? First of all, let me ask you some questions. Right? So tell me dear kids, on which planet we are living? Yes, on which planet we are living? We are living on the planet Earth, right? So can we live on other planets like Mars, Venus, Mercury? Can we live it on that planets? No, right? Why? Do you know that? See, because Earth is the only living planet. Right? Earth is the only living planet in which life exists. Yes? So, today we are going to start a new chapter. तो अब आपको समझ में आ ही गया होगा कि what is the name of the chapter? Yes, the name of the chapter is the planet on which we live. So that is Earth, right? So our chapter number 14, which is the last chapter. Yes, see हम last chapter में पहुंच गए. Yes. So, chapter number 14, the earth. Yes? So, today we are going to do the introduction part and also the first topic of this chapter. So, dear kids, are you all ready? Good. So, our earth, right? What is the learning objective of this chapter? I hope you all are checking कि at the end of the chapter आपको learning objective clear है कि नहीं. Yes, so what is the learning objective of this chapter? That after you have completed this chapter, you should be able to state the shape of the earth. राइट आपको ये पता हो जाना चाहिए कि अर्थ का शेप कैसा है. राइट एग्जैक्टली अर्थ का शेप कैसा है. देन अबाउट रोटेशन एंड रिवॉल्यूशन ऑफ द अर्थ. यस, हाउ इट रोटेट्स एंड हाउ इट्स रिवॉल्व, हाउ डे एंड नाइट अकर्स एंड हाउ द सीजन चेंजेस. Yes, these things we are going to learn in this chapter, right? Then also you should identify what is pollution. Yes, what causes pollution and the different ways to keep our environment clean. Right? This you should be identifying. Okay? So now let's see which topic we are going to discuss in this chapter. First topic is life on the earth. Why life सिर्फ लाइफ अर्थ पे ही क्यों है? Why life is on the earth only? Why not other planets? Yes? Think everyone, ये आपको सोचना है. Why life is on only earth? Yes, this we are going to discuss in the topic. Then next is shape of the earth. How is the shape of the earth? Yes, that we are going to see. Then next is movement of the earth. Right? How is the movement of the earth? About revolution, about rotation. Yes, about the changes of seasons. And how day and night occurs. And then the last topic, our environment. Yes, about pollution we are going to see. Okay. So, now you got the clear idea that which things we are going to see, which things we are going to learn in this topic. Right, in this chapter. Yes, अब see. आप लोग ने पॉल्यूशन के बारे में तो आपने लर्न किया होगा इन एसएस एंड साइंस इन लोअर स्टैंडर्ड. यस, बट इन दिस चैप्टर हम वेज भी लर्न करने वाले हैं दैट हाउ आई कैन स्टॉप पॉल्यूशन ऑफ एयर, ऑफ वाटर. यस, नॉइज पॉल्यूशन, land pollution. We are going to learn different pollution in this chapter. Okay? And see, new words जो भी मैं आपको लिखवाऊंगी वो topic wise लिखवाऊंगी. Right? But you have to write in one page only. Don't write topic wise. Number wise आप जैसे लिखते हैं आप वैसे ही लिखेंगे. Okay? So now let's start the chapter. We have learned in the previous chapter that Earth is a planet that we live on. Yes, dear kids, we learned that कि Earth एक ऐसा planet है जिसमें हम रह सकते हैं, right? Now you have to observe this picture and you have to note down all the living things you find in it. Yes, all the living things that you find in it. I am giving you 2 minutes. Right? 2 minutes में आपको सारे living things note down कर लेने हैं आपके notebook में. Okay? So fast kids. Okay, pause your video and write down fast. Okay, so I hope कि आप लोग ने सारे names लिख लिए होंगे. Right? Now in that, some are names of animals. Right? And some are names of plants. So both animals and plants, they are living things and they live on the earth. Right? So dear kids, now let's check what you all have written. Okay, आप सबने trees लिखे होंगे. Right? Then grass. Okay, then flowers. How many of you have written flowers? Then rabbit. See, tiger, parrot. How many of you have written squirrel? Very good. So these are the living things which are present in this picture. Yes. So now dear kids, come on page number 146. Let's start our today's topic. Today we are going to learn about life on the earth and shape of the earth. Okay? So first one, life on the earth. Why life is on the earth only? Why earth is called living planets? Yes, today ये ideal question है आपका. Yes, this is your ideal question. That why earth is called living planet. Okay, I hope you all have understood this. Please note down this question there. Why Earth is called a living planet? Earth has land, water and air to support life. Earth के पास क्या है? Has land, water and also air to support life. Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has life. Yes, Earth एक ऐसा planet है and वो एक ही ऐसा planet है solar system में जिसपे life exist हो सकती है. Yes, it is at the right distance from the sun and it's neither too hot nor too cold for plants and animals to live. अब अर्थ एक ऐसे राइट डिस्टेंस पे है सन से, राइट? बिकॉज सी कोई कोई प्लैनेट्स ऐसे हैं जो बहुत ही क्लोज हैं, लाइक मर्क्यूरी, इट्स अ वेरी क्लोजेस्ट प्लैनेट, राइट? एंड जैसे हम देखेंगे यूरेनस एंड नेपच्यून को, ये प्लैनेट्स बहुत ही दूर हो जाते हैं सन से, राइट? तो अर्थ एक ऐसा प्लैनेट है विच इज एट द राइट डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सन. यस, सो इट इज नाइदर टू हॉट एंड नॉट टू कोल्ड. सो प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स दे बोथ कैन लिव ऑन इट. यस, अंडरस्टूड दिस टॉपिक? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज शेप ऑफ द अर्थ. Much before the astronauts had gone into space and seen the round shape of the earth. Now, बहुत पहले astronauts जो थे, they used to go into the space and they see the earth and what they find out that the earth is round in shape. Yes, several ancient thinkers had reasoned that the earth was round and not flat. Now, बहुत पहले astronauts and ancient thinkers जो थे, पहले के जमाने के thinkers, they started quarrel. Some are saying that earth is flat and some are saying that the earth is round. Yes, फिर by the end पता चला कि that earth is round in shape. Yes, so how they find out? कैसे पता चला वो? They base their reasoning on their observation of shape. Now, जो बोल रहे थे that the earth is round, so वो लोग ने अपने practically वो लोग ने बताया, right? Practically वो लोग ने बताया कि see, हमने ये observe किया. Yes, and this is the reason that we are saying that earth is round. So they base their reasoning on their observation of ships. So when ship came from a distance into a port, the flag on top of the ship was seen first. Right? जब ships पोर्ट के नजदीक जाती हैं, राइट, तो सबसे पहले क्या दिखता है? सी आप लोग ने देखा होगा कि पहले के जमाने में शिप के ऊपर एक कपड़ा रखते थे, फ्लैग रखते थे, राइट? सो जो एस्ट्रोनॉट्स थे वो लोग ने क्या देखा, दैट जो वो फ्लैग है शिप में वो सबसे पहले दिखता है, राइट, एंड लेटर द बॉडी ऑफ द शिप बिकम विजिबल. यस, सबसे पहले पोर्ट से क्या दिखता है, फ्लैग. यस, एंड देन पूरी बॉडी ऑफ द शिप. इफ द अर्थ वॉज फ्लैट तो whole ship should have been seen at once, right? अगर अर्थ फ्लैट होता तो पूरी शिप हमें डायरेक्टली दिखती. yes, तो it would have looked small. yes, भले छोटी दिखती बट हमें दिखती तो पूरी ही दिखती शिप, राइट, अगर अर्थ वॉज फ्लैट. बट अब हमें यहां पे क्या दिख रहा है, शिप का ओनली द टॉप मोस्ट पार्ट हमें दिख रहा है. यस, द अर्थ इज नॉट परफेक्टली शेप लाइक अ बॉल. अर्थ जो है वो पूरा बॉल जैसा नहीं है, राउंड नहीं है. यस, फुल राउंड तो नहीं है, बट इट इज शेप लाइक एन ऑरेंज और पंपकिन. It is slightly flatted at the top and bottom. See, bottom and top ये दोनों पे वो कैसा है, फ्लैट है. You can see in that picture also कि जब हम पोर्ट से शिप को देखेंगे, जब वो दूर से आती होगी शिप हमारे पास, yes, when ship came from a distance into the port, yes, we will see the flag of the ship first, right, and then वो जैसे जैसे नजदीक आती जाएगी we will see the full body of the ship. yes, so इससे हमें पता चलता है कि अर्थ का जो बॉटम पार्ट एंड जो टॉप पार्ट है that is slightly flat. yes, and it is not perfectly round like a ball, but it is slightly flat at the bottom and on the top. Yes, the land around us look flat as we are very small in size compared to the earth. So आप लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे तो अर्थ इज राउंड, राइट, आप लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे कि इट इज लाइक अ शेप ऑफ ऑरेंज, तो क्यों हमें क्यों लैंड सारी फ्लैट दिखती है. यस, आप लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे कि वाई वी सी द लैंड फ्लैट, वाई दे आर नॉट राउंड, बिकॉज सी वी आर वेरी स्मॉल इन साइज एज कंपेयर टू द अर्थ. हम वो पार्ट पे पहुंचे ही नहीं है, राइट, वी आर वेरी स्मॉल इन साइज. अंडरस्टूड? सो नाउ व्हाट डू यू थिंक, अर्थ इज round or flat? Yes, earth is round in shape, but it is not perfectly round. Sorry, it is not perfectly look like a ball, but it is slightly flatted on top and at the bottom. Okay? I hope that you all have understood this two topic. Yes, dear kids. So now let's underline the new words of these topics. First one is support. Second one, distance. First one, support. Second, distance. Then next is astronauts. Next is astronauts. Then ancient. Ancient. Then visible. Visible. And the last, flatted. So this new words you are going to write in your notebook. Okay. So now dear kids, take out your pencil and eraser and let's complete these questions which is given on page number 146 on this page only. Filling the blanks with the correct words. Number first, dash is the only planet in the solar system that has life. So which planet? Mars or Earth? Yes, Earth. So write there Earth because Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has life. Second one, much before astronauts has seen the shape of the Earth, ancient thinkers had guessed that the Earth was dash. So first of all वो लोग क्या कह रहे थे? एस्ट्रोनॉट्स ने क्या कहा एंड गेस क्या किया ये लोग ने? Shape of the earth is round. Yes? Number third, the earth is shaped like a dash, pumpkin or bird. So funny option, right? The answer is pumpkin. Next, number fourth, we are very dash in size compared to the earth. We are very small in size, right? Number fifth, when we look at the ship sailing towards us, we find that the dash of the ship appears first. क्या सबसे पहले दिखाई देता है? Flag or bottom part? Bottom part of ship? See, when we look at the sailing ship, we will find that the flag of the ship appear first and then the body of the ship, right? So, completed this filling the blanks. Okay, I hope that you all have understood this two topic. So, dear kids, today your homework is to write these new words in your notebook and also to read this chapter. Okay? Understood? So bye kids, take care, have a good day.